Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Finviz stock screener. Finviz, short for Financial Visualizations, is a robust online platform that helps investors and traders analyze the stock market. It provides a comprehensive set of tools, with its stock screener being a standout feature. This tool allows you to filter through thousands of stocks quickly and efficiently, helping you pinpoint potential investment opportunities that align with your specific trading strategies. It is widely praised for its intuitive design and accessibility. To begin, head to the Finviz homepage and click on the Screener tab. Here, you will find three primary filter categories to refine your search: descriptive, fundamental, and technical. Descriptive filters cover general stock characteristics such as market capitalization, sector, or industry. Fundamental filters focus on financial metrics like the price-to-earnings ratio or earnings per share growth. Technical filters, on the other hand, help identify price trends and chart patterns, such as moving averages or the relative strength index. You can apply one or many filters. Once you have a basic set of filters, you can refine your search by combining multiple criteria across the descriptive, fundamental, and technical tabs. For instance, you might look for large-cap stocks with strong earnings growth and a price above their 50-day moving average. Finviz allows you to narrow down thousands of stocks to a manageable few hundred or even fewer. For efficiency, you can save your unique filter combinations as custom presets, enabling you to quickly revisit your preferred screening strategies without re-entering all the details. After applying your filters, Finviz presents the matching stocks in a clear, organized format. You can view these results as a list, or switch to a chart view for visual analysis of price action and patterns. The platform provides essential data points, including performance metrics, valuation ratios, and technical indicators, helping you quickly assess each stock. For deeper analysis, you might export the data or click on individual tickers to access detailed company information, news, and advanced charts, especially if you have an elite subscription.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.